So guys, here is the Arduino IDE with the code on it. First thing we're going to do, we're going to declare a couple of variables, and meaning we're mostly to declare the pins. So as we said before, we use the pin number 8 and the pin number 9. 8 is going to be for the push button. We're going to constant int. We're going to call it push button. Push button equal 8. Voila. A constant int LED. So that's going to be the output. We put it on pin 9. And also let's create a variable to have the state of the push button. See if that's 0 or 9 depending. Alright. Push button equals 0. So it's not the pin, but it's equals 0. Alright guys, so here we need to have pin mode. Pin mode is we're trying to define. So I told you we're going to use the pin 8 and 9, and we want to put those pin in as an output or as an input, and this is what we're going to happen. So the push button is going to be an input. All right. So we're going to put input here. So we see it turns blue. So all this has been coded by the Arduino engineers. Let me put the pin mode. Let me put it as an output. There we go. So we have an input and output. We have different LEDs here. All right. So now we need to read it. We need to read the input for push button. So all right. So let me type analog read. I mean, no, not analog, digital read, and we put this pin here. We can put like 8 of it. Since we gave it a name, I'm gonna write push button. All right, and we'll assign it. We assign the value to the let's see, push button. Oh, I should have put state. I'm sorry, my bad. To the state. Put state. I like to leave some space, so that's me. You can put it different way if you want, but I like it like this. Alright guys, let's go with it. So if, let me see, if the state is equal to low, this is how we're going to do it. If the state is equal to low, we want to turn the LED high. Alright, meaning if the state, because guys, when we don't push the button, it's high. Alright, let's do it. But you can also give it a try at home. If state let me show you. If state equal low, state equal low, alright, digital write. So we want to write on the pin of the LED. We want to write high. You can write low. You can test it out however it feels for you guys. But just to show you how it works. Digital write. So we write LED, or we can write for, that's where what pin we're choosing to turn on or high. So I'm gonna put high here. Else, we need a parenthesis. Oh, what's going on? Can't even find my parentheses now. 1 second, guys. I'm missing my parentheses now. Else digital, not digital right, guys. Oh, I'm even making a mistake there. LED, put it at low. And don't forget the semicolon, and semicolon. Alright, so this is how it goes. So we have the for loop here. You're gonna read all the time. What's the state of the push button? Okay, if it's high, we do this. If it's low, we do this. If it's low, we can do this. If it's high, we put it at home, and we can do the reverse too, guys. Alright, guys, this is how we do. Let's try to run it, compile it, and see the result. Alright, call it push button. So it's about to compile. Alright. Alright, I forgot, guys. Alright, it happens. I forgot to put the no, that's the push button here. I forgot to put the pin, but I'm concerned about this. Here is going to be LED. There we go. Let me save it. Let me run it. Since we have another issue here, digital read is going to be digital write here. Digital write. And then a couple of mistakes, guys, but yeah, digital write. Digital write. Alright, digital write here, high, and so on. I need to do. Alright, guys. Oh, I made a lot of syntax errors here. Thank God. Can see what's happening here. There we go. Alright, it seems to compile. Now I'm going to plug it. I'm gonna hear the noise, and I'm going to upload it so you can see what's happening here. But no worries, I do it. I do it in live and direct so you can see what's happening. It seems to be compiling now. Let me switch the camera so you can see what's happening over there. Alright, guys, so you can see now what's happening. Let me do what I've just done 20 seconds ago. I'm going to upload it, and you take a look here and you see how the LED is behaving, just right here. You see, oh, it was quick, but yeah, I'll show you what happened. Alright, let me unplug it. And now I'm going to wire all of that. So first things first, going to do the LED. So that's the plus along the pin and the minus. I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to connect an LED with that. Let me put it at the bottom, maximum bottom. You can see what's happening here. Let me connect this. That's going to be the push button. There we go. There we go on one side. let me put this. So on pin 8 we had the push button, and on pin 9 we had the LED. Pin 8, pin 9, let me put the GND here for the resistor. GND, it's long enough so I can go on the other side. On pin 9, there we go. 8, 9. There we go. Now we're going to work with the push button. Do it like this. There we go. And there, I'm going to connect the plus by board here. And if you remember the schematic we did at the beginning, GND, and plus 5 board here. Plus 5 board. We have the GND here. I'm going to do just that. There we go. And we say we're going to connect the push button to pin 9. So you put it in the middle. So guys, you also have the schematic, you can take a look at it. But you know, it's also better to see it live, so that's why I'm doing it here for you guys. Yeah. This one goes to pin 8. Yeah, you can find the schematic here as well. Alright guys, now let me connect it to you, I mean, not to you. You're not a machine. And when I push the button, it turns on, it turns off. So when it's at 0, it's at 1, and when it's at 1, it's at 0. So when I don't push it, it's at 1. When I push it, it's at 0. Alright guys. So it kind of works in reverse. So what do you think I need to do to change that? You know, you can hear in the comment for me, and I do it right now for you guys. Alright, let me switch screen and we can see how we can fix that. There we go. Okay guys, so I show you how to do that. So it was made on purpose, but yeah, see. Alright guys, so there it is. Everything is here. So if the state is low, meaning we don't push it, it should be at low, and else it should be at high. You can give it a try. It should be at low, and else it should be at high. Alright. So what we do, guys, we verify everything is okay, but it should be okay. So I just change that, not too much. And I upload it to the board. And it's uploading, so there we go. Alright guys, we're back at it. You see I don't push it now, it's at 0. So it goes. I push it, it's at 0. I push it, it's at 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. Alright guys, this is how we make a push button control LED with an Arduino board. So we've seen how to wire everything, how to connect everything. I'm talking about the LED, I'm talking about the resistors, push button, how to connect them together with the schematic, and then to put them together with on the breadboard. We also have seen how to connect it to the Arduino board, and how to code the Arduino board. So using the variables, using the if condition. If I push the button, it turns on. If I do not push it, it's at 0. How to use the digital write, digital read, and so on, guys. So that mainly how the project works, guys. So if you like the project, guys, please give it a like, leave some comments if you have any question, if you have any concern, if you have any suggestion. So I'd be happy to hear from it. And guys, don't forget to share the video, guys, if you think anyone who can benefit for it. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. All right, see you for another tutorial. It's Mike. Bye.